Hey crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa. Today I have some fun little paper to share with you guys. I have been collabing with Printworks, and they have a shop on Amazon. I'll link it all in the description box, but they have these gigantic packs of paper. They're 200 sheets. I like this paper because it's really good printable, fun to craft with. I'm going to be using some of my ScrapDiva Design dies to create some cards and whatnot. I want to do paper flowers because you guys, this boho rainbow cardstock, the colors. Look at these colors. There's coral, goldenrod, cream. I think those three alone and the mint. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so cute to make flowers. And then the baby blue. I like the blue, but I think these three colors are just so cute. Love it. And then we have the Easter pack. Also has 200 sheets, and this one has mint, buttercream, pink, baby blue, and white. So I'm gonna play with these. They sent me a ton, like a ton, you guys. So I'm gonna see what I come up with because I'll be sharing what I make. So I'm going to be playing with ScrapDiva Designs Storybook, vintage Storybook. I want to make 2 of them. These are the colors I picked out. I really like this color combo, you guys. It is so cute. And I also found this gigantic paper stack. I found this in my stash. I have no idea where I picked this up, you guys, but they're on the thinner side. I think that's why there's so many. But I wanted to pull out a few sheets, and I'm going to mess around with them and create something fun. I don't know exactly what, but we'll see what I come up with. But so far, this is what I have, and I'll link a video where I show how I put this together, so when I come back, we'll just decorate them. So I have my books all put together here, as you can see. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like before I glue it down, and then when I glue it down, it's going to hold nicely. Now on this one, I did add the little panel here because I got ahead of myself, but I wanted to show you, I cut out the shapes, the 2 covers, and then I also cut out the center. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to distress it. Falling apart and get a new one. But what I just wanted to show was how I did that, because I go through and I just ink up all around the edges, and then you're going to smash up the paper so that it's got those worn looking bits, kind of like how I did this here. And I didn't add anything here. I'm okay with that. And then I put some sheets in already in here, but I wanted to show you guys how it's gonna look and how easy this is. And got so much ink on this thing, but I'm just gonna take it and I'm just going to kind of try to create creases. Try not to tear it, just so that you don't, I mean, you could tear it if you want, but I want like these creases there that you can see, so that I can make it look worn there. If you can see that, like right here. And then once it's straightened, it's gonna follow through. And then just simple like that. And I'll link the video that I put together. I think I said that already. But what you're going to do is you're going to take your bone folder. They usually use to score. And I think it was Nicole's video where she shows you how to press down and it rolls it. And you kind of just keep doing it until you get the nice curve you want. So you do that, have the little curve, and then you're going to take your glue, obviously, and you're just going to find the spot where it fits nicely and even, and glue it down like that. For this one, I'm going to go with the green. I think it was called Mint is the color from Paperworks, but I cut out green and I'm going to distress it, but then I'm going to tear these up and kind of add them in layers. And then I decided I'm going to do like a little fun storybook with like characters. And so I cut out these animals because I thought they were cute. And I'm just going to put them there, and I'll add a little title there. Okay, I went ahead and distressed these 2, but I wanted to just show you what I'm going to do with this one. I kind of want it to just be like torn kind of looking. And I'm going to just kind of do it like this. I'm thinking I'm going to take my scissors though, And I'm going to trim along this edge here, leaving out the stitching part. It might be a little wonky, but it's okay. The goal is to be able to see a bit of that green sticking out. And you don't have to have it just be white. I mean, just the paper. See, I think that'll look so much better now. So I'm going to take my distress ink and I'm going to obviously make this look worn. And I am going to mess this up a little bit just so it looks a little bit worn. Just by, you know, a little crumbling here, the edges. And then I'm going to kind of do that. And it's going to get covered anyway. Some of it will get covered, obviously, by the paper when I glue down some of the stuff randomly all over it. So I like that look. And then I'm going to take my glue real quick. So I've got them done. I just went ahead and put this part here just to kind of keep it on the same. So I'm going to go ahead and glue it down back here like this. And I'll have that done. And it's going to be real quick. I might add like a little sticker in the back. I don't know if I have anything book related. I'll have to see what's in my stash to add like different junk journal. Okay, I don't like the way that looks. There we go. Okay, so I know that's going to go there, but before I do that, I want to glue these down. So I'm going to add them kind of, I don't know how I want to stagger them. Kind of like this little guy. Like look at this little Scottish guy. He's cute. I'm going to put him like that. Although that doesn't look, I kind of feel like maybe I can put him there. Like that. No, kind of making it seem like they're, no, I don't like that either. I think this guy needs to go here. Maybe this guy can go up here like this. Kind of behind him, you know. There we go. I like that. We will glue it down. Let me move this guy first. And just remember, it's kind of hard to remember where I'm eyeballing it at. Because I'm going to lose my spot. I know I am. I'm going to call it, oh gosh, the rabbit ears. Oh my gosh, they look so cute. Okay, let's see. Is this going to work? Yes, like this. Oh, perfect. Okay, then I need to do this guy here. We're just going to eyeball that as well. Okay, I like that. And now we're just gonna glue it down here like this. Oh, that's gonna be so cute, you guys. How cute is that? Look at that. Adorbs. This cardstock color is so cute. Okay, now I'm trying to line up these guys so they kind of go straight there. Yeah. Yeah. So you just want to make sure those line up. And now we have it, and on the inside I have the world map, which is so cute. What I'm going to do for this one is, I think I cut out, or I pulled this out, but I think I like this paper because the inside I did this. So I think on the outside I'm going to do this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do a tear. Where's my ruler? Let me see. Let me make sure it's straight because it's gonna bug me if it's a little bit off. There we go. There we go. Ooh, I like that. And then we'll just do kind of like there. And then we'll trim it down so we know where to glue down. And let's distress this. I might do some stamping on this, I think. And then we'll just glue it down. Voila. What I decided to do for this cover is I want to add this stamp set with the little chicken because I think it'd be so cute since it's got like, I don't know, like a primitive vibes. And this paper just kind of screams that to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take her and stamp her. And I'm going to stamp it onto this design here. I really like these colors. And I'm going to kind of paper piece. So I'll do that probably in a time-lapse video so you guys can see. And I'm going to stamp her on the cream colored. So it's going to be just, I don't have to use white. And since I already have my paper scraps here, it'll be super easy. So I just wanted to talk about this real quick before I do another little time lapse. This is going to be my base and she's going to sit around here. And then I'm going to put this overlay. I am going to do a little bit of coloring on top of the skirt, but I just wanted to show how I was going to layer it. Now I've stamped it up. Oh my gosh, stamped a second one because I had messed this one up, but I realized I was going to have to do a second one because I want to color this part here and not on there. So I'll cut this out and layer it on top. And what I'm going to do is I'm looking also to see like the color that's a little too light. And I kind of want this one. And I'm going to color the little flowers with this one. And it kind of matches the paper. So I just want to show that. I'll be doing that. And that is yellow, red 65. And then I'm going to do this green one, which is olive, I think. Yeah, G99. And I'm just going to color in the leaves. Nothing crazy. I think it'll be cute. And I'm going to, I wanted to color her dress kind of to match that, but a little bit darker. So I think I might do this one. This one's yellow, red, 02. So it might be darker, but let me see. Yeah, I'm going to do that. It's more orangey, but I'm going to put it here. What's this one? This one's red 12. Oh, that one's too light. Too peachy. So we'll go with this one. So I added this alphabet die set from Tim Holtz. It's this one here, the Thinlets. I thought it'd be perfect to add recipes. So in the inside, I can do like little tiny cards. I think I have some 3x5 note cards that I'm going to trim down, and I think they match this color. So I'm going to see if I could do some fun little recipe. And then in here, I don't know if I'll do like maybe like since it has like the images here, maybe I'll do like something stamped. I don't know, but this is what I have so far. And I love this. I don't know if I'm going to do something here. I think I'm going to just cut out the designs, but I hope you guys like this fun little project I did. I'm probably going to set these aside for a bit because I've got some other projects to do. So when I finish them, maybe I'll come back and share the full project of how it turned out, because I still have to go digging for some stuff, especially for this one. I know I have some like cute little tags that are this color. I know I have them, so I want to look for them. But I just wanted to show how I played around with the cardstock, as well as the die sets, and just what you can use from books to stamps and whatnot, and combine them to all kind of go together. But yeah, so thanks for following along. I'll list as much as I can in the description box with links, discounts. You guys know ScrapDiva Designs, M Walker 10 for 10% off. And then I'll put links to like the stamp sets, the paper, the cardstock. So thanks for watching, you guys. Come back soon for some more videos. Bye.